We are a mom and pop shop, literally. Clients do become like family to us over time. Being a virtual office gives us the ability to meet people where they are. If you go to the dentist, they're the expert and you listen to them. If you come to us, yes, we're the experts, but we also need a lot of input from you in order to make good decisions and create a plan that works for you long term. That power dynamic, I think we can take some of that away and act more like a team, which is what we are. You know, we always say we do good work for good people. And good people live all over the place. I've been doing this for 2 decades. I learn new stuff all the time. The biggest thing I've learned, and I learned it actually in my first career when I was a naval flight officer. And the mantra was to brief, fly, and debrief, which sounds very simple, and it is. But if you watch even like the Blue Angels, you know, their briefings are very well known. Then they fly, but that's not it. They come back and they debrief and they talk about everything that went right and everything that went wrong. And that is that circle of planning that I've tried to incorporate into victory independent planning. It doesn't end with the plan. Plan needs to be an action, not a noun. Planning is a verb. The things I like are really being a one-stop shop for clients to get their answers. I like being that difference maker where they look back on their retirement or their pre-retirement and say, that was the moment we knew we could actually do it, and I was a part of that. That's what I like. I like it when they come back to me and say, without you, we couldn't have done this. That's the best part about it.